friends, welcome. Come on in. I'm in my office today, and in this video, we're going to talk about face serums. What is? Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. Okay, what is a face serum? Why should I be using a face serum? When do I use a face serum? These are all very good questions. And face serums are where our powerhouse ingredients are. So in a second, I'm going to show you a video clip of the gal that works with my company, Perfectly Posh. She is amazing. She is the girl who basically builds our Perfectly Posh products. She invents them and builds them and gathers all of the yummy, delicious, best ingredients on earth that Mother Nature has to offer that we put in our Posh products. So she's going to walk you guys through the steps of a face care routine and why they're amazing, how to use a serum, what is a face serum. It's very cool, great to know. I love my business. I'm always learning new stuff, and I loved this video so much that I wanted to share it with you guys as well. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's see what we can learn.
Hi. So you can tell I'm in Vegas by this amazing picture behind me. Can you guys see that? Look at this. I'm like, this is very, can you see that? I don't know. It's very Vegas. I'm like, all right, well, this is what I get. So, hi guys, I'm here from Cosmoprof looking at a ton of exciting technology to bring you guys. I'm really excited. Yay, 2019, I can't wait. Can it be here already? Because I want to show you all this really cool stuff. But I'm here and I wanted to tell you a little bit about how to link some of the products that we're launching, that we launched for fall into your core line. So I talked a little bit about this at UnCon, but I kind of wanted to reiterate a little bit more about the skincare system. So in terms of skincare, you always want to start with the cleanser. So I made this little chart. I could kind of put this online, but my little drawing here, you can see, you always want to start with your cleanser. So you want to cleanse always, right? So morning and night, you always want to clean the slate, get rid of anything that's sitting on top of your skin. So I like Bright Young Thing as a great daily cleanser. You can use BFF if you're looking for more of an exfoliation. Both BFF and Bright Young Thing are our best loving cleansers. We know we all love that. So it's always great to clean the slate, especially if you're wearing makeup. You want to clean that away. You want to clean all those things kind of collecting in your skin. If you don't wear makeup, it's also still great to cleanse your skin at night because of all these environmental toxins going on. So that was our theme of UnCon, is that, you know, scientists are really looking at why people are starting to age faster nowadays. And it's all about, the new term is called environmental aging. And that's because all of these pollutants are landing into our skin, into our pores, making them enlarged, making our skin drier because it's clogging up that natural oil production that happens in your skin. It's causing our skin to be drier, dehydrated, thinner, and then that leads to wrinkles and sagging. And so cleansers, you know, always want to start with your cleanser. So keep it simple, BFF or Bright Young Thing as your first step. And then you always want to tone. So let me tell you a little bit about our toners. We've got Set the Tone and a Squeeze Me. So you want to tone because what happens with toners is that it's helping to remove anything that your cleanser didn't remove. So sometimes there's even still, you know, some more dirt and oil kind of clogging those pores. The cleanser gives you double cleansing, right? The toner gives you double cleansing. So if you kind of use either Squeeze Me, which is great because it's got vitamin C, so it's also helping to balance your skin. If you want to spray Squeeze Me on a little cotton round and kind of wipe over your skin after you cleanse, you're putting vitamin C onto your skin, but you're also removing anything that's left. You're also rebalancing your pH because after you cleanse, you remove some of the natural oils on your skin. So with a toner, you put those oils back on your skin, and our toners are hydrating toners. So Set the Tone and a Squeeze Me are both, you can see the texture is a little bit different than what you would think of as astringent toners. It's not a drying toner, it's a hydrating toner. It's got a little bit more cushion. And so what that's doing is that's hydrating your skin, it's resetting the pH of your skin. And when your skin is reset, it's able to receive the actives of anything that you're going to put on afterwards better. So your skincare works better if you use a toner. So I like a Squeeze Me because it also has that vitamin C in there. It helps to rebalance your skin. So you cleanse, you tone. I don't have anything with me right now in Vegas, but you cleanse, you tone, and then you want to apply your serum. So with our new Nothing Phases Me serum, this is a great layering serum, right? So this lightweight technology, I will show you. If you use either the Defiant serum or if you use the Never Grow Up, it's so lightweight and so beautiful. You can see it kind of right there. You can see the cholesterol in there. I'm just gonna kind of work it into my skin right here, and it absorbs quickly. So you can feel the silkiness go into your skin. The Nothing Phases Me, again, the serum is amazing. You've got the charcoal from the serum. So the charcoal molecules are detoxifying your skin while you're out in the environment, which is really great because we've got a lot of charcoal masks that take off what's happening, after the fact, but this is protecting your skin. So as you're wearing this, it's kind of fighting back against those pollutants that are landing in the pores. No, we don't want any of that. It's fighting against that. You also have a biosaccharide gum in here, which is also a fancy word for a nice protective shield. So it's a breathable shield that's kind of on your skin, it's breathing, but your skin is able to kind of fight back and shield against any environmental pollutants that are going to land on it. And then these fancy blue things in this serum are liquid crystals, and the liquid crystals brighten the skin, and infused in these liquid crystals is the cholesterol. And cholesterol, again, is found naturally in your skin, but unfortunately, as we age, at the time we turn 40, it decreases significantly, about 40%. And that natural cholesterol in your skin is what's helping it be supple and firm and kind of be youthful. And so when you have that loss in cholesterol, that's when you get dryness and dehydrated skin and thin skin and wrinkles and sagging. And so you want to support it with the cholesterol in here. But again, this is a vegan cholesterol. So we made this cholesterol vegan. It's a non-GMO oat, and so what it's doing is it's mimicking the effects of these natural lipids in your skin, mimicking the effect of cholesterol in your skin, which is cholesterol. You're going to start to hear it's going to be a huge anti-aging ingredient out there. We're one of the first to have this. We're the first to have this in the serum, this beautiful liquid crystal formula and this charcoal formula, and it feels super silky on the skin. So it's a great layering serum. So you want to apply the Nothing Phases Me serum, and then you can apply, if you use Defiant, you can apply the Defiant serum right after. So my Nothing Phases Me serum is already absorbed into my skin, and then I layer the Defiant serum. So if you use Defiant for anti-aging, or if you use Never Grow Up serum, you can layer them easily. They just easily absorb into your skin. We like layering serums because serums are really where your powerhouse is. That's where your active ingredients are. People always want to know, why do I use a serum? Well, that's where your powerhouse and ingredients are. And layering them gives you it protects you from different ways of anti-aging, right? We all want to solve different anti-aging issues. So sometimes it takes kind of two different things to really kind of cover from all the angles. If you use Never Grow Up and you're just trying to maintain your skin and you already have healthy, glowy skin, then great, protect your skin with this because you'll still want to protect it from premature aging that's happening from the environment. So you still need the Nothing Phases Me serum with that as well. And then you want to moisturize, right? So you always want to cleanse, tone, serum. You can layer serums. You can even do serums layering at night. So if you want to use the Nothing Phases Me during the day, because that's going to shield you from the environmental toxins. And then if you want to put on just Defiant or Never Grow Up serum at night or layer them at night, you can do the same thing. But then you always want to moisturize. You want to moisturize because you're sealing all that goodness in, right? So the moisturizer is creating that barrier. So I like Collier Strength. Collier Strength is a great formula because it's got the glycolic acids. It's also helping to work at and kind of minimize those pores. So again, if you have pore problems, and a lot of it is due because those environmental toxins are landing in your pores and making them enlarge, you're kind of tackling everything. With your Bright Young Thing, you've got your Squeeze Me toner, you've got your Nothing Phases Me, and your Collier Strength, you're kind of tackling those pores. If you have concerns with dullness, then you can use Serves You Bright. If you have anti-aging issues, then you can use the Defiant Moisturizer. If you just want to maintain a healthy glow and you love all those really yummy, vegetable and fruit ingredients and extracts, use Never Grow Up. So it's all about, the moisturizer is kind of your way to really target and kind of target the solution where you're really looking for. So always use a cleanser, always tone because you're resetting your skin. Always treat with a serum, right? Your serum is your treatment, and always moisturize with something that's going to really solve that solution. And then when you have all those things going on, you also want to mask, right? So you like to mask, and there's this whole trend about multi-masking. Well, there's a reason for it, because sometimes you can't do it all, right? So we love the new space face, right? Don't you guys love this? So it's super great, super fun on social. If you put a really thick layer, I've seen some pictures kind of going online online that aren't applying it enough, apply a really good layer, because then you can really get that really good social effect. And then if you got that tool at Uncon, it's an easy way to kind of get that thick layer. So applying the new space face mask, right? So we have charcoal again to pull out the toxins, but the great thing about this is it's non-drying. So it's got this really kind of jelly cool gunmetal finish, and it feels great on the skin with sodium hyaluronate, really moisturizing your skin. But it also has two elements from the Earth's mantle, malachite and olivine, and these are really powerful antioxidant ingredients that are working to detoxify the skin and rebalance, and also working as a stress filter. So it's pampering your skin, it's pampering your emotions. You know, you look great on social. So this is a great new space face mask. But another way to also kind of work at all those toxins that are getting into your skin is with heavy exfoliation. And I love the Perfectionist. A lot of people haven't used the Perfectionist. It's a great formula because it also has abrasives in it. So it's great because you can apply that on and let it sit. And then probably after like 10 minutes, you can kind of work it in and work around and get really the stuff that's kind of still caught up in those pores. So Perfectionist is a great way to do that because it's an exfoliating mask. It's got the pearl, it's brightening. So exfoliation is a great way to really kind of get at all that stuff that kind of just sticks around in those pores that we don't want. So that's kind of, and then also I forgot to mention the Barrel Wipes. I love removing masks with the Barrel Wipe, especially the space face mask, because sometimes people don't want to have that glare that's kind of left around. You can really kind of use the Barrel Wipes and really get out the specks that kind of stick around. But it's also a really gentle way to remove the masks. And another little tip is that you can cleanse and tone and then apply your mask, because toners, because they're rebalancing and resetting your skin, if you have kind of a moisturized, already hydrated surface in your skin, it's going to soak up the ingredients even better. So I love that tip. So if you use a toner before, you want to cleanse your skin before any mask. But if you use a toner before, it really kind of sets your skin for the best effect of the mask. So that's kind of my little information on skincare and kind of skincare 101. And I can put this little grid online, so everybody just remembers always cleanse, tone, serum. Serum is always your treatment, and you can layer the serums and then moisturize and use those moisturizers as your targeted skincare solutions.
Thank you, Stacey. That's awesome. Thank you.
That was awesome. Did you learn something new? These are the face serums that I use all the time. She did show the Defiant Line face serum, and she talked about the Never Grow Up serum, which I've loved forever. I've used this for about 3 years. I love it. And this is our new one. Nothing phases me. So she talked a lot about this, and I learned so much about what is in here, why it's awesome, the cholesterol for your skin. Yes, I'm gonna grab myself a bunch of these. I need to gift these to my mother and my mother-in-law because they are starting to get that thinner skin. So Perfectly Posh is one of the very first companies to use this kind of serum. So if you are interested in any of these products, you can shop at emeryposh.com. Get in touch with me. All my contact information is down below. I love talking posh. I can talk about it all day long. And we have some great new things coming for Perfectly Posh 2018. And I can't wait to hear from you. Don't forget to pamper yourself. Have a great day. Bye.